now in some part of the jungle. Yeah. So I think I will get lost here. Out in the middle of the jungle. Of course I'm not alone. I got Moby with me on my way. So together we could be Rainbow. Moby, get over here. It is time for us to get lost in the jungle. Yes. And to be like a rainbow and survive the entire jungle.
Yes. Just like Rainbow 2. Let's do it.
Yeah. Looks like we came into the jungle now. The real jungle. This is very cool. This is what I like. This is what I want to experience. Surrounded by jungle.
Look, there's Tarzan.
Whoa, I see the Lion King. This is so cool. I'm really enjoying this. Real butterflies. Of course, people have been here before. I'm ready to find the source of the waterfall. Come on. Let's do it.
It's like being in the movie Predator.
Yeah. This is pretty exciting. Walking into the middle of the jungle. Moby, this is the real jungle, man.
Yeah. Let's do it.
Hey Moby! Are you scared yet? Watch out for the snakes.
Yeah, that thing you reminded me of.
Moby, I think I heard something. Moby, I heard something. Do you hear that? Fuck, Moby, sounds like a lion.
Let's get out of here.
Moby, I don't think you have to run here. Moby, yeah. It's coming after us. I think we should... Moby, hide, hide. Did you hear that?
Yeah, I heard it.
Did it? Sounds like some kind of big animal or something. It's like it's running after us. It's right behind us.
I've heard that they have Black Panthers here.
You think so?
Yeah.
Moby, I'm pretty scared, man. I think
Dude, I just saw something over in their bushes.
Man, don't teach me, man. Don't joke on this. This is real, man. I hear it too. It's not good. I think we better run for it.
Dude, run!
Is it there? Yeah! Oh, shit! Shit! Get out! I hear it, Moby! Moby, I hear it! It's right behind me! I can take it! Oh, run, man! How do you feel?
Like I just shit my pants.
You did? Watch, it's coming. You hear? Come on.
No.
Quiet.
This is really awesome.
Yeah. Still looking for the source of the water. We met some people here. I think we're getting close to the waterfall. I think getting close to the waterfall. Waterfall. It was a long trip to get all the way up here, but now we're finally here. I think I'm gonna climb up, stand on the top and record some more pictures. We got quite scared before with the lion or whatever it was. I really don't know. But they said me something there that we heard footsteps and stuff like that. Try to climb to the top, almost half the way. Let's do it. Up here, I think I want to try to find the source where the waterfall down from. Even more here. This is the edge.